See, what we are going to do today is we are going to start with sixth topic today because it's a small one, and that is refraction of light. See, I will discuss the problems of refraction of light after the lockdown. I will only teach you the entire topic and keep refraction of light. Very simple. What does it say? What does the refraction of light say? I'll introduce you to the topic by giving a example of a very small activity. Childhood मध्ये तुम्ही हे केलाय बरेचदा. See what we have done here. You take a glass of water, huh? Just follow the diagram, students. And you insert a pencil in that glass of water. Okay. Again, take the same glass of water and place pencil place the pencil in slanting position like this. See, what are you observing? Students, remember one thing. Actually, light always propagates light, sunlight, tube light, bulb, light of the bulb and all that. Any light, any source of light. Always whatever light is radiated from a source, like for example sun and all that, light always, त्याची एक unique property आहे that it always travels in straight lines. Always in straight lines. But if I give you this example, you will find that light slightly bends. To demonstrate that, there is a small little activity given in your textbook. What is that? Take a glass made of glass, not made of steel. Take a glass made of glass and fill it with water to 2/3 of its capacity. Don't fill it completely with water. Okay? Insert a pencil in vertical position, means keep it straight. Insert it straight into the water. You find that at the surface of separation, that is here, just follow, at the surface of separation, that is here, the pencil appears to be thickened. तुम्ही घरात करून बघा, ते खूप इझी आहे. So at the surface, फक्त इथं हा, at the surface of separation, the pencil appears to be thicker. Point number 1. You take, this is the same glass of water here, but instead of placing the pencil in the vertical position, the pencil has been placed in a slanting position like this. The pencil has been placed in a slanting position. So what happens? Again you observe that when the pencil is placed in a slanting position, at the surface of separation, that is here, इथं, pencil तुम्हाला तुटल्यासारखी वाटते. It appears to be broken. Only where? Only at the surface of separation. Okay? This is a unique property of light which is called refraction of light. So what is refraction of light then? When light travels from one medium to another, here from air to water, when light travels from one medium to another, the speed of light changes. काय होता है? The speed of light changes and light bends at the surface of separation. Light जरा surface of separation कडे bend होतो. This phenomena of bending of light at the surface of separation, when it travels from one transparent medium, transparent म्हणजे काय? Like air, like water, like glass and all that, when it travels from one transparent medium to another is called as refraction of light. I'll repeat again. Take a glass made of glass, fill it with water to 2/3 of its capacity and insert a pencil in vertical position. At the surface of separation, the pencil appears to be swollen, thickened. Same pencil, you placed it in slanting position. At the surface of separation, the pencil appears to be broken, तुटल्यासारखी दिसते ती. Why? It's only because of this typical phenomena exhibited by light, and that is called refraction. पर बाहर करा है. What is refraction? When light travels from one medium to another, that is air to water, air to glass, air to any other medium, transparent. Then at the surface, कुठं सगळीकडे नव्हे, only at the surface of separation between the media. इथं, here this is the boundary between air and water. This is the boundary between air and water. Only there light bends. This phenomena of bending of light at the surface of separation when it travels from one transparent medium to the other is called as refraction of light. Okay, why does refraction occurs? Because when light travels from one medium to another, the speed changes, the velocity changes, and therefore light slightly in this processes light slightly bends. That's it. Clear? तुम्ही हे पण चाइल्डहुड मध्ये केलं असेल किंवा यू हॅव डन दिस. एक स्टीलचा ग्लास घ्या, हे आता ग्लासचे ग्लास आहेत ना, वैसे ही यू टेक अ ग्लास ऑफ स्टील, सिंपल पेला म्हणतो ना आपण, पाणी प्यायचा पेला असतो तो. सो यू टेक अ सिंपल ग्लास ऑफ स्टील अँड यू प्लेस अ कॉइन इनसाइड इट. 10 रुपयाचा डॉलर घाला त्याच्यात. अँड you try to look at the, just follow my hand, try to look at the dollar. When you stand here you can see the dollar clearly. Now move behind, you can see the dollar, still move behind, the dollar disappears, you can't see it. Now you stand here, don't move again. डॉलर दिसत नाही म्हणून परत पुढे जायचं नाही. You stand in that same position for you where the dollar appears to disappear. Call your friend and make him pour water. घासकन नाही, सावकाश. Make your friend pour water in the same glass. The coin appears to be raised. And where you are standing in the same position, after when your friend fills the water in the glass up to a certain level, the coin appears again. हे काय जादू नाही आहे. It's another phenomena of an example which proves refraction of light. त्याला आपण नॉर्मल शिफ्ट असं म्हणतो. हे लॅटरल शिफ्ट, शिफ्टिंग होतं. पेन्सिल अशी होती ती शिफ्ट झाली, पेन्सिल अशी होती ती सुजली, तसंच कॉइन थोडा रेस्ट होतो. आय टेल यू वन मोर एक्झाम्पल. यू गो टू स्विमिंग टँक. मोस्ट ऑफ यू इन समर सीझन, आता लॉकडाऊनची गोष्टी सांगत नाही मी तुम्हाला, जनरली इन युअर चाइल्डहुड हे वेकेशन आलं ना समर सीझनमध्ये मोस्ट ऑफ देम जॉईन द स्विमिंग क्लास. तुम्ही तिकडे गेल्यानंतर ते ब्ल्यू कलरचे टाईल्स असतात मुलांना, आणि तुम्ही उडी मारताना असं वाटतं की इथं इथनाही पाणी आहे, वेदर विल बी एबल टू स्विम इन दॅट ऑर नो गॉड नोस, इजंट इट. एवढं तुम्हाला असं वाटतं की गुडघ्यापर्यंत पाणी आहे, पण तुम्ही उडी मारल्यानंतर तुम्हाला कळतं की बरंच डीप आहे. रिफ्रॅक्शन. टाईल्स अपियर टू बी रेस्ड, ॲक्च्युली दे आर डीप, बट तुमच्या ड्यू टू लाईट, ड्यू टू the light entering your eyes, they appear to be raised. That is because of this phenomena, that is refraction of light. कळतंय? कॉइन घालायचा ग्लास मध्ये, without pouring water you try to see the coin and try to move behind until you find the coin disappeared. Make your friend pour water into the glass slowly. In the same position you will see it again. This is another phenomena of refraction of light. That is called normal shift. Normal म्हणजे बॉडी इथं असते, ती थोडी वरती आल्यासारखी वाटते. That is called normal shift, and that happens only because of refraction of light. Are you clear? Are you clear, students? I'll explain to you one more example which you'll be studying in. I'll explain to you one more example which you'll be doing as a practical in the 10th standard. स्कूल मध्ये दाखवणार तुम्हाला. ते खूप इझी एक्सपेरिमेंट आहे. काय करायचं मध्ये, टेक अ रेक्टँग्युलर, जस्ट फॉलो माय डायग्राम. टेक अ रेक्टँग्युलर ग्लास लॅम्प. सी यू मे बी वंडरिंग की टीचर आम्हाला होमवर्क देत नाही, काय नाही. ॲक्च्युली तुम्ही हे लेसन्स वाचण्याचं एक मोठं होमवर्क आहे. ह्याच्यातले डायग्राम्स प्रॅक्टिस करणं. लाईक दिस डायग्राम कम्स इन द एक्झाम्स. आता पिरियडिक टेबलमध्ये डायग्राम नाही आहे, सो यू आर लकी, बट देर आर सो मेनी डायग्राम्स विच आर टू बी प्रॅक्टिस प्रॉपरली बाय यू. ठीक आहे, इन कोर्स ऑफ टाइम. म्हणजे मी होमवर्क द्यायची गरज नाही, होमवर्क ऑलरेडी तुम्हाला आहे. रीडिंग द लेसन, गोइंग थ्रू द क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स अँड ऑल, दॅट इज अ होमवर्क. सी, क्वेश्चन आन्सर डिस्कशन इज नॉट पॉसिबल लाईक दिस. माय ओनली क्रायटेरिया हियर इज टू ट्राय टू डिस्कस दोज इझी टॉपिक्स अँड ऑल दॅट. कॉन्सन्ट्रेट. हा एक रेक्टँग्युलर ग्लास लॅब आहे. रेक्टँग्युलर घ्यायचा, स्क्वेअर घ्यायचा नाही. मार्क द बाउंड्रीज ऑफ द a rectangular glass slab as PQRS. Draw a straight line in slanting position at the side PQ of the rectangular glass slab. At the side PQ of the rectangular glass slab. Insert 2 pins. टाचणी म्हणते ना. Insert 2 pins at positions A and B. Observe the images of these pins. नीट आहे का? Observe the images of these pins from the other side, that is SR. The images तुम्हाला त्या साइड मधून बघायचं आहे आत, आणि तुम्ही प्रॅक्टिकल करताना तर तुम्हाला बरोबर दिसतं की the images appear to be lying along this particular line. Mark the position of the images as CD. Draw a line CD. Draw a straight line. Remove the pins. Draw a straight line.